To activate iCloud Drive on your iPhone, start by opening the Settings app, which is usually found on the home screen. Scroll down and tap on your name at the top of the screen. Then select iCloud. In the iCloud menu, you will see a list of options, including iCloud Drive. Tap on iCloud Drive to access its settings. Here, you will see a toggle switch next to iCloud Drive, which allows you to turn it on or off. To activate iCloud Drive, simply toggle the switch to the right, and it will turn green, indicating that it is now enabled. You will also see a list of apps that can use iCloud Drive, and you can toggle these on or off as needed. Once you have activated iCloud Drive, you can access your files from any device that is signed in with the same Apple ID. This includes your Mac, iPad, or even a Windows computer with the iCloud app installed. To upload files to iCloud Drive, you can use the Files app on your iPhone. Open the Files app, then tap on the Browse tab at the bottom of the screen. Here, you will see a list of locations, including iCloud Drive. Tap on iCloud Drive to access your files, and you can upload or download files as needed. It is also a good idea to enable the iCloud Drive option in the Settings app on your other devices, so that you can access your files from anywhere. This will allow you to seamlessly share files between devices and keep all of your files up to date. By following these steps, you can easily activate iCloud Drive on your iPhone and start using it to store and share your files across all of your devices. This can help you to stay organized and ensure that you always have access to the files you need.